Hey everyone, Josh here from ClinicSync Pro, and in this video we're going to do a couple of testing for our Jane app voice AI with GHL. So I'm going to go through booking appointment, cancellation, and rescheduling all in one video. And we're going to there were a couple of hiccups in the previous updates that we had, in the previous release that we have, that we've gone ahead and fixed those, specifically around finding the appointments and getting the appointments for the patient. And also we made some changes inside the prompt as well and the custom actions. So make sure that when you want to implement this for your own GHL account, you want to make sure that you go through the prompt properly. Some of the things that you shouldn't change, specifically around the type of the properties that we are passing by. So for example, do not change these kind of things because these needs to stay the same, because these are the exact same parameters that we are using inside the custom actions in here. So we can change other stuff, but like for example, how you want it to sound and those kind of things, but make sure that you do not change those things, because if you change those, it will not pass the proper items into us for basically relaying that to your Jane app. Okay, so I'm going to use the new call functionality that GHL has in here, and I'm going to use the web call, so hopefully you guys would be able to hear it. If you don't hear it, it will actually show the transcription as well, so should be all right. So let's go ahead and book an appointment. So what I'm going to do is we've been playing with this new patient that we created in here, and we're going to basically use this patient as a reference in order to show you that it's not going to keep creating new patient even if it doesn't exist. So if the patient exists, basically gonna use that patient details. All right, so let's go back in here and let's start a web call.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. This is Alex. How can I help you today?
I would like to book an appointment.
Sure thing. Let me pull up our clinic information for you. One moment. All right, we offer a variety of treatments and have practitioners like Michael Carroll, Amy Kendrick, Dr. Marcus Gregory, and more. We also have 2 locations, the Village and the District. What treatment or service are you looking to book?
I would like to book a 30-minute massage with Zoe Swift at the Village for tomorrow at 9 a.m.
Got it. Let me check availability for a 30-minute massage with Zoe Swift at the Village tomorrow at 9 a.m. One moment. Good news. I found a 30-minute massage with Zoe Swift at the Village tomorrow, Monday, April 13th at 9 a.m. dot. Can I get your first name, last name, phone number, and email to confirm the booking?
Sure. Amanda Jones, amanda.jones@gmail.com, 0402 773655.
Thanks, Amanda. Let me confirm your details. Your name is Amanda Jones. Your email is amanda.jones@gmail.com, and your phone number is 04027733655. Does that all look correct?
Yes.
Great, I'm booking that for you now. Just one moment. Your appointment is confirmed. You're booked for a 30-minute massage with Zoe Swift at the Village tomorrow, Monday, April 13th at 9 a.m. You'll receive a confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. Have a great day.
All right, so obviously there are tons of way of doing this. As you can see, like I went ahead and completely set exactly what I want, with who I wanted, where I wanted, and at what time. I just wanted to make it quicker, but obviously if you don't give all those information, it will keep asking you to grab all those information from you in order to be able to book it. Now let's actually go ahead and see if it's been booked. So if we come back in here and let's refresh this page, so we have 2, it should be 3 now once I refresh. So there we go, we got 3. Now if you go back in the appointments, sometimes it doesn't show, you gotta refresh it again for it to show up. All right, that's kind of like annoying. There we go. So we set for tomorrow at what was the time? Let's see. So it's about Village tomorrow at 9 a.m. So there we go. If I go back in here, you can see that it has been booked Monday, 13th of April from 9 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. This is in Pacific time zone, and our GHL account is also in the Pacific time zone, so you want to make sure that your GHL account is exactly in the same time zone as your Jane account, otherwise it's gonna mess things up. Okay, so as you can see, the booking worked, and if I even search for Amanda, it shouldn't show up multiple Amandas, it should only be one. So that's that. Now let's go ahead and try rescheduling. Sorry, cancellation first and then rescheduling. All right, so let's go do a new one.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. This is Alex. How can I help you today?
I want to cancel an appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. Can I get your first name and phone number to look up your appointment?
Sure. Amanda 0402773655.
Let me pull up your appointments. Just one moment. I can see you have a few upcoming appointments. One, a 30-minute massage on Monday, April 13th at 9 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Two, a 30-minute massage on Wednesday, April 15th at 10 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Three, a 30-minute massage on Sunday, April 19th at 9 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Which one would you like to cancel?
I want to cancel the one on the 13th.
Got it. Just to confirm, you'd like to cancel your 30-minute massage on Monday, April 13th at 9 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Is that correct?
Yes.
I'll process that cancellation for you now. Your appointment has been canceled. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. Have a great day.
All right, let's go back in here and check a couple of things. So let's refresh this. As you can see, we have two appointments. So if I go in here and if I tell it to show all the states of appointments, the one that we just canceled, it should show up in here. It might be multiple of that, but there we go. This is the one that we just canceled, the Monday 13th of April at 9 a.m. So that one got canceled. All right, now let's go ahead and try reschedule. And again, for those of you that had issue with duplicate, as you can see, it's not creating any more duplicates as well. So now let's go ahead and try the last one, which is rescheduling.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. This is Alex. How can I help you today?
I want to reschedule an appointment.
Sure, I can help with that. Can I get your first name and phone number to look up your appointment?
Sure. Amanda 0402773655.
Let me pull up your appointments. Just one moment. I see you have two upcoming appointments. One, a 30-minute massage on Wednesday, April 15th at 10 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Two, a 30-minute massage on Sunday, April 19th at 9 a.m. with Zoe Swift. Which one would you like to reschedule?
Change the 19th one to 20th at 9:30 with Zoe Swift.
All right, let me confirm a few details. Would you like to keep the same location or are you open to a different one?
Same location with Zoe Swift.
Got it. Rescheduling your appointment on April 19th to April 20th at 9:30 a.m. with Zoe Swift at the same location. Let me take care of that for you now. One moment. Your appointment has been successfully rescheduled to Monday, April 20th at 9:30 a.m. with Zoe Swift at the Village. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, thank you.
Thank you for calling Harmony Health Clinic. Have a great day.
All right, let's go back. Let's refresh this. Let's see. So I don't know why it does that. There we go. So now we got this Monday, April 20th at 9:30. And if you want to see actually got rescheduled, so if you click on this, it will show you which one was it that it got rescheduled. So we got that 19, which was at 9:30, and it got rescheduled this new one. There are a bunch of them because we've been testing on this account, but the most important part is basically when you look at all the appointments, the only one that you see is the one that we just rescheduled. So again, as you can see, everything is now working. And again, let's check this. There's no duplication. we can go ahead and start. I'm going to do it in another video, but like creating a new patient and those kind of things, going through all of them. But the most important part that you want to make sure that you kind of like understand is going through the prompt, not Trump. I'm going through the prompt and make sure that you understand how the flow is going and what are the things that we are passing and the other stuff that you want to do. Obviously, you will get this inside the latest snapshot. There might be two agents because we were testing a different version, but you will see the v2.0, which is the latest one, which is the one that we just did the test in here. But the backend is live now. We're gonna update the snapshots as well. So the snapshots would be live once you receive this video, and you should be able to download the snapshots from the same place on the dashboard that you've downloaded previously. But as usual, if you have any question, just let me know. And thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.